IBC 2023. I'm here at the front of Hall 1, and I'm here on the Verimatrix stand talking to Masha. Hi, Masha. How are you doing?
Hi, Matt. Very well.
Good. So, security is Verimatrix, really, and you're going to tell us a little bit about the anti-piracy products that you've been working with.
True. So in anti-piracy, we have a full suite of different solutions, obviously starting with DVB, also on-prem topics. But today, we would like to talk with you about StreamKeeper. And StreamKeeper is a cloud suite of products which covers the complete anti-piracy portfolio, starting with Multi-DRM over watermarking into Counterspy, our newest, latest, most disruptive product on the market.
So we know that piracy is a problem, and certainly with live, we own the content. The broadcaster owns the content, and a live football game. Is this the the answer to saving people taking your live stream, your live content, and delivering it to places that don't own the content?
Yeah, actually, I would boldly say yes, this is the answer. Obviously, it's complicated out there, but we need to remember when traditional broadcasters working with live TV are moving out of their secure environment, moving out of managed networks, out of managed boxes into endless devices on the internet, which are exposed. Each single device is exposed to danger. And this is where most of the attacks are happening. And when we are protecting video content, we need also to remember that the pirates, the hackers today, they don't just want the content, they want so much more. They also want, of course.
What are they looking for?
They're looking for using the content but not paying for CDN to earn money on their illegal IPTV platform. So they just use our customers' CDN to ride on that, generating costs. They are trying to steal the ad revenues by replacing the ads by their own ads, routing revenue into their own pockets.
Right.
But it doesn't even end there. They're just stealing also credentials of the end users. They're stealing credit cards credentials. And I mean, I don't need to explain what type of a disaster that is.
Absolutely. Well, personal data is a big deal. Not only is it stealing content and obviously, I guess, reducing revenue, but can it potentially cost the customers, your customers, money?
Yeah, especially if you just look at the CDN exploits, which I just mentioned. Yeah. When pirates use our customers' content and just distribute it via our customers' CDN, you can just really count it. It's
you can
realistic
see rising costs.
Yeah. We were talking with multiple of our customers, and just to give you an example, over a couple of months, they had exploding extra costs from the illegit usage of the CDN of $300K US.
That's not an insignificant amount of money for any size broadcaster. Yeah.
But to be honest, that's not even a little bit of the damage they are doing. Yeah. Because you can even put numbers behind the real damage. Because if you see that the content is really available, premium content, the subscription growth goes down. And with operators which are out there already over a couple of years, you can really see a significant drop just the moment this is happening. And this significant drop can drive you up to 40% of revenue loss. And this is really dramatic.
It's obviously a big fight out there. Well, thank you very much. Now, is there anything, one particular question, is there anything new at IBC 2023 that in your feature set that is really worth shouting about?
I think just talking about what the problems which we are addressing. Yeah. So I just wanted to explain what is new and why it is so important to understand why Verimatrix is the right partner to solve it. Because most of the operators, most of our customers, they are searching either for something to protect their their code, or on the other hand, they're searching for something to protect the video. Verimatrix, though, is really bringing both. They're bringing the best of both worlds. You
Full
cannot
solution.
do, absolutely, you cannot do a cybersecurity protection if you are a video specialist, or you cannot do video protection if you are a cybersecurity specialist.
Yeah.
But if you are both, and if you have dozens of years in both worlds, then you can do that.
Yeah, brilliant.
So this is actually what we are doing here.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, if people are still at the show, this video, thankfully, will be out before the end of the show.
Thank you
We'll
very
come along
much.
to the front of Hall 1 and catch up with Masha and the rest of the gang. We're doing another couple of videos here on the Verimatrix stand. And for everything else that we're doing at IBC, it's kitplus.com. Thank you.